Good morning, children. Exercise 1.5. Solve the following. One night in Kashmir, the temperature is minus 5 degrees C. Next day, the temperature is 9 degrees C. What is the increase in temperature? You are asked to find the increase in temperature. For this, what you are going to do is, temperature in the first day is minus 5 degrees C. Temperature in the next day 9 degrees C. To find the increase in temperature, subtract 9 degrees C minus of 5 degree C. Here you are going to subtract. So change the sign. Minus become plus and take the opposite of minus 5. Opposite of minus 5 is nothing but plus 5. So 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14 degrees Celsius. An atom can contain protons which have a positive charge, that is plus, and electrons which have a negative charge, that is minus. When an electron and a proton pair up, they become neutral, that is 0, and cancel the charge out. Now determine the net charge. First sum, 5 electrons and 3 protons. 5 electrons, that is nothing but minus 5. Protons plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, 1 negative, 1 positive, subtract, the answer takes the greater number sign. So the answer is minus 2. Next, 6 protons and 6 electrons. 6 protons, here it is positive 6, plus 6 electrons, minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0, neutral. Next, 9 protons and 12 electrons. Plus 9 plus of minus 12. It is nothing but 9 minus 12. 1 positive, 1 negative. Subtract. The answer takes the greater number sign. So the answer is minus 3. Next, 4 protons and 8 electrons. That is plus 4 plus of minus 8. That is equal to 4 minus 8. That is equal to minus 4. Next, 7 protons and 6 electrons. This is nothing but plus 7 plus of minus 6. So 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. That is 1 proton. Scientists use the Kelvin scale as an alternative temperature scale to degrees Celsius by the relation T degree C is equal to T plus 273 into K. Convert the following to Kelvin. Minus 275 degrees C. That is equal to minus 275 plus 273 into K. So 1 positive, 1 negative, subtract. That is equal to minus 2. The answer is minus 2K. Next, 45 degrees C. This is equal to 45 plus 273 into K. That is equal to, both are positive. So add, that is equal to 318K. Similarly, you can do the next two sums. Find the amount that is left in the student's bank account if he has made the following transaction in a month. His initial balance is rupees 690. First sum, deposit of rupees 485. If deposit is given means you have to add with the initial amount. So, initial balance of student's account is rupees 690. Deposited amount rupees 485. So when you are going to add these two numbers, the amount becomes 1175. Therefore, amount left in the account is equal to rupees 1175. Withdrawal of rupees 500. Withdrawal means you have to subtract. So now the amount in the account is equal to rupees 1175. From this you have to subtract rupees 500. Therefore the amount left will be equal to rupees 675. Next, again withdrawal of rupees 350. Now the balance amount in the account is rupees 675. Amount withdrawn is rupees 350. Therefore amount left will be equal to 675 minus 350, that is equal to rupees 325. Deposit of rupees 89. Balance amount in the account is equal to rupees 325. So amount deposited is rupees 89. What you have to do is you have to add. Therefore the amount left will be equal to rupees 325 plus rupees 89, that is equal to rupees 414. Next, if another rupees 300 was withdrawn, what would be the balance? Balance amount in the account is equal to rupees 414. Again amount withdrawn rupees 300. Therefore amount left will be equal to rupees 414 minus rupees 300. That will gives you rupees 114. A poet Tamil Nambi lost 35 pages of his lyrics when his file had got wet in the rain. Use integers to determine the following. First question, if Tamil Nambi wrote 5 pages per day, how many days work did he lose? Total pages lost is equal to 35. Number of pages he wrote per day is 5 pages. Therefore, number of days required for 35 pages will be equal to 35 divided by 5. That is equal to 7 days. Answer, 7 days work he lost. If 4 pages contained 1800 characters, that means letters, how many characters were lost? Number of characters in 4 pages given, that is 1800. So from this we can find the number of characters in one page by dividing 1800 by 4. The answer is 450. This is number of characters in one page is 450. Now we want to find the number of characters in 35 pages. Therefore, you multiply 450 into 35. The answer is 15,750. So 15,750 characters were lost. If Tamil Nambi is paid rupees 250 for each page produced, how much money did he lose? Amounts paid for one page is equal to rupees 250. Therefore, amount paid for 35 pages will be equal to rupees 250 into 35. That is equal to rupees 8,750. If Kaviman helps Tamil Nambi and they are able to produce 7 pages per day, how many days will it take to recreate the work lost? Number of pages recreated in one day is 7 pages. Therefore, number of days required to recreate 35 pages with the help of Kaviman will be equal to 35 divided by 7, that is equal to 5 days. Tamil Nambi pays Kaviman rupees 100 per page for his help. How much money does Kaviman receive? Amount paid to Kaviman for one page is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, amount paid to him for 35 pages will be equal to rupees 100 into 35. That is equal to rupees 3,500. Kamachi, a fruit vendor, sells 30 apples and 50 pomegranates. If she makes a profit of rupees 8 per apple and loss rupees 5 per pomegranate, what will be her overall profit or loss? Here you are going to find whether there is a profit or loss for her. First, number of apples Kamachi sold is equal to 30. Profit per apple is equal to rupees 8. Therefore, profit for 30 apples will be equal to rupees 8 into 30. Therefore, profit is equal to rupees 240. Now, let us pass on to pomegranate. Number of pomegranates sold is equal to 50. Loss per pomegranate is equal to rupees 5. Loss on selling 50 pomegranates is equal to rupees 5 into 50. that is equal to rupees 250. Loss is more than profit, that is 250 is more than 240. Therefore, she got overall loss of rupees 10.